So right here, looking back, we have real pool fittings, the LED light. I have a real skimmer installed. Works really well. Going right into a 1.5 horse pump. It's energy efficient with a low and high. I normally run under low. The saltwater generator is actually like 6-7 years old. They're amazing. Intex still lasts. Hard to see, but there is a grounding rod right in there. Used a overkill 16-inch filter where I built a piece that comes off that goes to the pool. One goes with a valve that controls the actual waterfall amount of water, because you can slow that down using that valve. That goes in the saltwater generator, and back through a return where this pool is ridiculously clean. There is also, I have to mention, is I'm running glass for the media, not sand. If you get to the corner here, that valve, which is an on-off, so I can also turn this off, goes right into there, where it was perfect for the Intex, so I was able to wire tie these right to a union, so I can put different heads on this. And also I have another system that I'm building with using PVC that I'm going to drill, that I can move the head around, which will also be a sprinkler system. And then I have LED strips right there, the box on the other side, and another waterproof switch to change the colors. There you have a waterfall Intex pool that has been turned into a real pool, not using any Intex pieces other than the frame itself.